Hi, and welcome to the fourth in a series of screencasts that will introduce you to the University of Kent's e-portfolio system, MyFolio, and the functionality that will aid you in recording and presenting evidence for either the Associate Fellowship or Fellowship Evidence Record. In this screencast, we are going to show you how to create your evidence record journal and journal entries. As you'll see here, we are masquerading again as our demo student Michael Mouse, and we're currently residing on the dashboard page. Now, in order to create content, we always have to go to the content area, and then in this case we're creating the journal, so we need to go to the journals area. Now, once in the journals area, we need to create one, so we go to the create journal button. We now have to give, like most content items, we need to give things an apt title and description, so I'm just going to put on here Associate Fellowship Evidence Record. I'm going to click the text editor options here just to get the whole toolbar available, and then I'm just going to add a very short title here. Now, as we see here again, we've got the Show My Tags option, so this allows you to add sort of pertinent keywords, etc., to help you find things within MyFolio, so you can select those as you wish. And then, once we're happy with all this, we go to Create Journal. And as you'll see now, your journal is now created in the Journals area. Now, in order to create entries for the journal, we need to click a New Entry. Again, we need to give things a pertinent title, so I'm just going to call this Supporting Evidence 1. And then this again, I'm going to make the text editor, all the text editor options available. And then this, in this box here, is where you'd add your entry. I'm just going to put Supporting Evidence. But this is where you put the body of your journal entry and reflection and so forth. Again, you can add the appropriate tags to your entry. And with journal entries, you can also add files as well. And in this case, we'd be adding the PDF of your grade marked assignments that have been marked by the academics practice team. So in this case, we need to go to add a file. And as you'll see again, as we have with add a file previously in previous screencasts, we have the copyright disclaimer, so we need to check this box, and then all our options become available. We can either go to the browse functionality, which allows you to browse your computer, and we've also got the drop files here, so we can use drag and drop functionality as well. If you've already uploaded to the files area, then you can search for those files in this area. So again, we're just going to pick a file here, and then in order to attach it to our entry, we just click select. As you'll then see, the attachment is now selected and attached to this journal entry. Now, if you'd like to come back to your journal entry at a later time to modify it in any way and don't want to publish it immediately, you can save it as a draft, as we see here. However, once you're happy with everything, you can either save entry if you're immediately happy, or if you have saved it as a draft, you can save entry and publish, and that will then make it available so that we can add it to our evidence record page. So if I save the entry, as you'll see, we now have a new entry within our Associate Fellowship Evidence Journal. In the next screencast, we will show you how to access the Associate Fellowship/Fellowship group, and also how to use the evidence record page template.